Greetings sports fans, welcome back to Edivision TV. I'm your host Eddie Guna, and this is a channel where we look at sports differently. Now I'm taking a different look. I'll be reading a specific comment which I saw under one of my videos, and this comment was a very interesting one. Very interesting, a lot of talking points, a lot of topics coming from this one comment. Okay, I will not reveal this commenter's name. However, this is what he had to say. Strong words. So the commenter wrote, and the crap continues. Heritage football instead of investing in local talent. All JFF does is spend money on plane fare for foreign ballers and executives to watch match and waste the rest. Meanwhile, local players on subpar fields earning less than minimum wage with almost no chance of representing their country unless the heritage players are unavailable. So, some very, very strong words coming from this commenter. And when he talks about heritage football, you know what he means. He's talking about the UK born Reggae boys, or Reggae boys that were not born in Jamaica. So this is a lot, this is a mouthful, but let me try and break it down line by line. Heritage football instead of investing in local talent is pretty much saying that we prefer to get the UK born players in rather than investing and developing in our own local talent. This is misleading. I don't think that we set out to just use heritage players, so to speak, instead of investing. I think we try to strike a balance. We try to develop and invest in our talent as well, but we are extremely handicapped with a lot of limitations. The proper coaching, the proper facilities, infrastructure, and the big one, the money. We don't have the money. So I think that is why it seems to be this way. It seems to be crap, as you would put it. The crap continues. I think we try to strike a balance. The next line, all JFF does is spend money on plane fare for foreign ballers and executives to watch match and waste the rest. We have to spend money on plane fare. That's how we go about. That's how we get to games. We have to spend money on plane fare. And if the team consists of mostly UK based players or players based elsewhere playing their club football, it will cost. The only way we'll save money is unless everybody played in Jamaica, everybody played in the JPL. I know that that's not possible, and that will significantly weaken our team. So that is definitely out of the picture. We have to spend. We are in a time where travel is very expensive and where we have a lot of moving pieces. So we have to spend. So although I'm not buying that point, and about wasting the rest, no comment on that one. I don't have any proof of anything, so I'm not gonna go around and accuse anybody. Last point, local players on subpar fields earning less than minimum wage with almost no chance of representing their country unless the heritage players are unavailable. So 3 part. The first part, definitely agree. Players are on subpar fields. The fields are, crap, and we know that that's a fact. That cannot be hidden. So we understand that the fields are not great, the facilities are not great, and also the money is not great. We see clubs struggling to pay players, and some players will earn more than others. And some players, as you say, will be earning less than the minimum wage. That's just the reality.
I'm tired of suffering. I'm tired of suffering.
We don't have a professional league, so we won't expect everybody to be highly paid. You know, some would say it's a semi-professional. So the structure is different and needs to be changed. Now, in terms of representing their country, I understand that there'll be less players, less local players, you know, coming straight out of the JPL and representing Jamaica. But what they do is they go to the USA, they go to Europe, they go to Central America, they develop their game, and then they can matriculate into the national team. Of course, in the past, we've seen that a lot of local players or JPL players get a chance when the heritage players, as you put it, are not available. You know, but so there's some truth to that, you know. But overall, comment, you know, hard hitting, provoking thoughts, some truth to some of the things, and others, you know, overreacting in my books, are simply no proof. But keep the comments coming, guys. I enjoy reading them. You know, I just decided to dissect and display this one. So Reggae Boy fans and Jamaicans, let me know if you agree with this commenter. Do you agree with his points? Do you disagree? Let me know which ones you agree with and which ones you disagree with. Drop those comments in the comment section below. This is Eddie Guna. Thanks for watching, and always remember, like, share and subscribe.
I don't know, this is Jeremy Lynch, Jamaican international, straight out of Vietnam from Binding FC, and you're watching Eddie Vision. Please like, click, subscribe, share, and tell a friend. Out.